Welcome to how to set auto reply on WhatsApp and iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set auto reply on WhatsApp and iPhone. WhatsApp allows this feature on WhatsApp Business for iPhone, not on simple WhatsApp, so you don't need other third-party apps like GB WhatsApp. Just open WhatsApp Business app. Here are two ways to get auto reply settings on the middle bottom of the screen. You can see tool option. Just tap on it and you will find here quick replies and away messages. Second way to get these features, tap on setting, then open business tool, and here is all auto reply service settings. You can use these features in various methods. Away message features allows you to send an auto reply message. You just type a message, which do you want to send. This message will be sent automatically to anyone who sends you a message while you're unavailable. You can also set your preference for sending auto reply by sending the recipients. If you also set a greeting message, WhatsApp auto send this message. We're contacting first time with you. In addition, you also set the quick replies to save your time to send message. As you see, this is a default quick reply set on the thanks word. We add one more message like this. If I just type slash in the chat option, WhatsApp shows the all message which is saved in quick replies. Just select and send. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any doubt, question or suggestion, please leave it in the comment section below.